Hi guys, welcome to today's tutorial. We are going to be cutting a bustier. That's a sleeveless bustier. So yeah, let's dive into our today's tutorial. As you can see, that 5 inches I'm showing you, the bustier is an off shoulder with a very tiny sleeve. That's what I'm trying to do now. That's why I'm leaving 5 inches upward. So I'm trying to mark my bust point, which is 11 inches, and my under bust measurement, which is 14 inches. That's my client measurement, so it's not constant. Yeah, so I've marked the 11 inches on the bust point and 14 inches for under bust. As you can see, my nipple to nipple here is 4.5 inches. So from the upper part, I'm going to minus 1 inch from my measurements, from my nipple measurements, and my down part, that's my under bust measurement, I'm going to minus 1 inch. That means my under bust measurement is 4 inches. Yes, I'm using 4.5 for nipple to nipple, and my under bust measurement is, my under bust will be 4 inches, and my upper bust will be 3.5 inches. So these measurements are very vital in this tutorial. So all these measurements are not constant. Try and get a very good measurement of your clients. Measure your clients very well so that this will not become an issue for you. This tutorial is a beginner's friendly. So yeah, if you are a beginner, this tutorial is for you. It is a very simple method for you to cut a bustier. Yeah, so you can see I'm trying to cut what I've already drived on my fabric. Yeah, so this is my front part. That's my middle front part. You understand? So I know after this tutorial you'll be able to understand what I'm cutting. Yeah, so I'm trying to lay an emphasis on my bust points, my under bust, so that I can notch them. Because if you not notch where your bust point is and your under bust point is, when you started joining, you will encounter problem. So if you joined it, it is not going to become an issue. So yeah, I've already derived my normal measurements. That's my round body measurement on the other part. That's the side by side, so that I will not have any issue. But I'm going to add allowance because I forget to add seam allowance. Yeah, so let's go. This is a very simple method. You're not going to drive any bust, like bust points or under bust on the side by side again. You just have to trace it from your middle front. Yes, from your middle front you are going to trace everything. So yeah, this bustier is one of the very simple methods to cut a bustier. Yes. If you have any question, please, you can ask in the comment section, and I'm here for you. I can explain for you. Or if you have any style that you want me to cut, yeah, I'm here for you. I can help you to cut it and post the tutorial for you here so that you will learn. Please, if this is your first time here, subscribe to my YouTube channel, or follow me, like and share this post, please and please. I'm a beginner content creator, so please help me to grow, as I'll be helping you with simple tutorials. Yeah, so I'm trying to notch my bust point and my under bust. As you can see, I've already traced my middle front to the side by side. So I'm trying to mark where I will notch on the side by side. Yeah, so I'm arranging it like this so that I can be able to take my round body measurements. Yes, so that's what I'm trying to do now. So using this method will be very easy for you. So as you can see, I'm taking my round body measurement and the allowance. If you can see two lines there. The first line is my round body measurement and the second line is my seam allowance. So in this tutorial, or in this cutting, my seam allowance was 2.5 inches because I had it to cut cloth and later my allowance would disappear. You know, sometimes that's how it used to be, especially if you are a beginner. So sometimes you cut clothes, you don't cut in, that's when you discover that your seam allowance is not able to be found. So in order not to allow that happen to you, you cut your seam allowance like 2 inches or 2.5 inches so that your seam allowance will not disappear. So yeah, here we go. So we are done cutting our simple bustier. Yeah, so this is it. It is not hard. This is a very, very simple tutorial for a beginner. Bye.